Hello, in this video I'll show you how to knit a simple mesh pattern that can be used for many different things. The repeat pattern of the knit has 1 row and 2 stitches. We repeat 2 actions on both sides of the knitting. Make a yarn over loop and purl 2 loops together. Make a yarn over loop and purl 2 loops together. Make a yarn over loop and purl 2 loops together. Continue until the end of the row. I've demonstrated a really simple, lovely stretch mesh knit with a delicate texture, perfect for lightweight shirts, blouses, vests, tunics, capes or scarves. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.